GoPro just broke its own rules. The Mission 1 is bigger, more powerful, and way more advanced than anything they've ever made, and it could either be genius or a total mistake. The new GoPro Mission 1 is not just another action camera. It feels like GoPro is trying to completely change the category. For years, action cameras focused on size, durability, and stabilization. But now, GoPro is stepping into cinema-level territory, and the Mission 1 is their boldest move yet. At the heart of this camera is a brand new 1-inch sensor, which is a huge upgrade compared to traditional GoPro cameras. This bigger sensor allows much better low-light performance and improved dynamic range. In fact, GoPro claims up to 14 stops of dynamic range, which is something you usually see in high-end mirrorless or cinema cameras. That means better highlights, deeper shadows, and more cinematic-looking footage straight out of a tiny action cam. Video performance is where this camera really stands out. The Mission 1 lineup can shoot up to 8K video, with higher-end models pushing up to 8K at 60 FPS. That's a massive leap for action cameras. You also get slow motion up to 960 FPS in 1080p, which opens the door for some seriously dramatic shots. Whether you're filming sports, travel, or cinematic content, this camera clearly aims to compete with professional gear. One of the most exciting features is found in the higher-end version, the ability to use interchangeable lenses with a micro 4/3 mount. This is something we've never really seen in action cameras before. It means you can switch lenses depending on your shooting style, just like a mirrorless camera. Wide, telephoto, cinematic depth, it's all possible now. But at the same time, this also makes the camera less action-ready and more like a compact cinema rig. GoPro is also improving usability and shooting flexibility. You get features like 10-bit GP-Log2 recording, better color grading control, and multiple shooting modes like vlog mode, subject tracking, and even a dedicated low-light mode. These features clearly target creators who want more control over their footage rather than just point-and-shoot simplicity. Battery life has also been improved with the new Enduro 2 battery, which can last over 3 hours at 4K recording and close to an hour when shooting. That's impressive for such a powerful camera, especially considering how demanding 8K recording is. However, this camera is not perfect. First, the size and complexity increase, especially with interchangeable lenses and accessories. It starts to lose that classic GoPro simplicity. Second, pricing is still unknown, but it's expected to be expensive, especially for the Pro models. And finally, real-world performance like overheating and stabilization under extreme conditions still needs proper testing. Overall, the GoPro Mission 1 feels like a major shift in the action camera world. It's no longer just about rugged, tiny cameras for adventure.